In this exercise, we're going to use instance of operator. According to hierarchy, as you can see, we have a student, employee as a subclasses of a person, faculty, staff as subclasses of employee. So let's make a comments. Then, as you can see, we have 5 objects. Let me just show you again. There are 5 objects: person, class, students, and then 3 employee objects. So normally we use it inside here to make sure if list cat I, okay, list of objects in array list is instance of one particular class type, then we like to print, for example, employee. Okay, that means employee object, and then objects belongs to employee hierarchy, faculty or staff. So now we can see employee and then faculty and staff, 3 of them. So idea is you may have many different types of objects with single hierarchy. Then you like to print or process certain types of objects according to hierarchy. Then you may like to use instance of. So let's change to students. Okay, here you go. Look at the name of the class called students. So you can try with a person. In this case, everything belongs to the person superclass. So there are 5 objects. Okay. If you type those stuff, okay, let's make 2 more. So now we have 3 objects, happen to be staff class type. So here you go, we have the same objects. That's all. Thank you.